What's the meaning of Australopithecus? Australopithecus. Australopithecus.
Australopithecus. Australopithecus. Australopithecus is a genus of extinct hominids that lived in Africa between about 4.2 and 1.4 million years ago. The name Australopithecus means southern ape, reflecting the fact that these early human ancestors were found primarily in southern Africa. They were bipedal, meaning they walked on two legs, but had relatively small brains and ape-like features such as long arms and curved fingers. Australopithecus is believed to be an important link in the evolution of modern humans, and several species have been identified within this genus, including the famous Lucy.